Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a step into a more advanced, yet incredibly useful, feature in stock analysis. If you want a clearer way to analyze trends, this video is for you. Why moving averages matter. In technical analysis, the moving average, or MA, is one of the most widely used indicators. On our chart, we display three key lines. 1. Closing price, close. 2. 5-day moving average, MA5. 3. 10-day moving average, MA10. These lines help you instantly see whether the price is above or below the moving average, if the trend is strengthening or weakening, and whether a potential reversal may be forming. In short, moving averages filter out noise and reveal the true trend. Part 2. What the chart shows. In our system, once the stock data loads, you'll see a smooth and easy-to-read chart. Blue line closing price. Orange line MA5. Green line MA10. This visual layout makes it simple to spot crossovers, trend directions, and price movements relative to the averages. Part 3. The highlight, predicting tomorrow's closing price. Here comes the exciting part. Right below the chart, you'll see a highlighted message showing, predict tomorrow's closing price, 12.96. This isn't a random guess. The system analyzes the past 30 days of closing prices, the day-to-day price changes, diff values, the trend and direction of MA5. These elements are combined into a lightweight statistical model to estimate tomorrow's closing price. It's not AI, not machine learning, but for short-term analysis. This kind of trend-based prediction is practical and surprisingly helpful. Part 4. How this helps investors. But for short-term analysis, this kind of trend-based prediction is practical and surprisingly helpful. This tool provides two major benefits. Heavy checkmark 1. Reviewing historical trends. With MA5, MA10, and the closing price, you can quickly detect trend direction, identify crossovers, spot potential turning points. 2. Gaining a simple, forward-looking reference. Instead of only looking back, you get a clear forecast number, a statistical hint of where price might move next, more confidence in making decisions. It turns your analysis from what happened into what might happen next. My new tool Stock Analysis Free Edition is now live on Product Hunt. It helps you analyze stocks easily with free RSI, MA, and trend charts. Welcome to visit our website. The link is in the description. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with others who love stock analysis. And if you want more videos about indicators, algorithmic trading, or stock analysis tools, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.